don't forget that we want to create the optimal optimal pH for the enzymes of the small intestine. And this is one way we can do it. One way we can bring that pH up from the really acidic conditions from the stomach. So the other thing that it does is it emulsifies the fats and oils, as we spoke about last week. So we're splitting up these larger fat droplets into much smaller fat droplets. So the volume is going to stay the same, but the surface area is going to increase. So that means it's much easier for the lipase enzyme to work on all of the oil and fat that we've consumed. So volume stays the same, surface area increases, much larger surface area available for that lipase. And that helps to break down then the fat that's in our diet. So this is considered to be an exocrine function, which is to release something out into the blood or directly, rather than down a duct of the bile duct there. So liver, number one, bile, gallbladder is this little ball. And then here we've got the duodenum, number two, and the duct is going straight in there at number two into the intestine. So bile is produced in the liver, stored in the gallbladder, released down into that duodenum for those two functions of breaking down the fat, emulsification, and also neutralizing that content. So let's have a look at this, which is the process by which alcohol is broken down. What is the substance broken down during deamination? What effect does insulin have? And what effect does glucagon have? Yeah, good work. Well done. Ethanol is an alcohol. Ethanol definitely isn't good for our bodies. But alcohol is actually not good for our bodies. I know it's like culturally quite significant in most cultures, including most European cultures, but it is a neurotoxin and it is actually toxic to pretty much every cell in your body. But yeah, it doesn't do us any good, but it is a toxin essentially.